Let's see. So the first thing, I'm going to roast some cherry tomatoes with some balsamic vinegar. Yeah. I will be amazed. Work those triceps. Too bad? Okay. Now. So, as you can see, all different, slightly different shapes, but hopefully they will taste amazing. Let's have a look at the tomatoes. Beautiful. Got my tomatoes here. They're ready. Got my pasta. Got my Nduja. Let's do this. It's spicy, but it's not overly spicy. It's very subtle, very warm and comforting. And with the fresh pasta, it tastes amazing. There's no comparison with dry pasta. If you can make fresh pasta, then give it a go. If not, just use dry pasta. It still tastes amazing, to be honest. Calabrian Fileja with Nduja. There you go, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please comment, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out with the channel. And if you have any comments, just let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, please subscribe, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.